What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I said I would do a video on Saturday. Sometimes things can change. I had time to squeeze this one in. And I found 3 real estate investment trusts that are really solid. They are dividend growth stocks. They have excellent revenue. They're solid REITs. And they're actually high yield REITs. So I wanted to squeeze one video in for Friday for you guys to check out. And I'm going to post one Saturday as well. But these ones are hot. I mean, I found these. You guys might be interested in them. I'll do a dividend stock analysis. I'll do a quick review on these stocks. So again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'd like to thank you guys so much. 8,500 subscribers strong on this channel. All I ask you to do is smash that like button, and I'll see you in the comment section after this video. So let's check this out right now. Here's one that's really popular: gaming and leisure properties. It's sitting at $45.32. Dividend yield is 6.09%, a PE ratio of 20.63, volume 1.58 million US dollars. The market cap is 11.32 billion US dollars. Its year range is 41.81 to 51.46. Its day range is 44.90 to 45.81. Its previous close was 45.73. What makes these guys so special? Their portfolio consists of 55 geographically diversified gaming and related facilities and amenities and well-positioned areas across the nation. So we'll look at their portfolio real quick. So here's some of their properties. Let's just say for Ohio, here's Columbus, the Hollywood Casino in Columbus. We have Hollywood Gaming at Mahoning Valley Racecourse. We also have it out here, Hollywood Casino in Toledo. We have in Cincinnati, this is just the state of Ohio, Park and Gaming Entertainment Center. I've actually drove by this one time. The Belterra Casino Resort in Indiana. Let's go with some popular areas, more popular. I'm going to go out a little bit, and some of them, here's one in Denver. It's the Mardi Gras Casino, Billy's Casino Blackhawk. That's a big one. Right here in Massachusetts, the Plain Ridge Park Casino. So you're seeing what they bring to the table, especially casinos and stuff. Here's one in Vegas right here. Tropicana Laughlin. That's a big one. Another one is the M Resort in Henderson, Nevada. So you're seeing, like I said, really specific facilities that they have. So, you know, this is for tourism, this is for gambling, this is kind of for I want to say the entertainment industry and experiential, just like EPR properties. That's more experiential with the people having their experiences. So let's check out their revenue and their dividend history. We'll check out the revenue. 2015, 575, 2016, 828, 2017, 971, 2018, 1055, 2019, 1,153, then 2020, right, just about 1,153, just about the same, then 2021, 1,216. So you're seeing an increase in revenue from 2015 to 2021. That's very attractive, but us as dividend investors, we want to see something a little bit more appealing to us, and that's their dividend history. So check this out. So 2015, it was 54 cents. 2016, it was 56 cents. 2016, it was 60 cents. 2017, it was 62 cents. Then 2018, it was 63 cents. 2019, it was 68 cents. Then 2020, it was 70 cents. Then it hit 60 cents. You can blame the pandemic. So it's kind of a given. Then it all of a sudden went back to 65 cents, then 67 cents. And it looks like there was a special dividend right here at 24 cents. And then it hit 69 cents. So now you're having some nice dividend growth. Symbol is GLPI, a dividend yield of 6.04%, PE ratio 20.6, annual dividend 276. So it's sitting at 45.32 and a nice dividend yield of 6.04%. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. Here's one that's really interesting. In the past 5 years, they have done well against the S&P. Essential Properties Realty Trust sitting at $22.98 with a dividend yield of 4.53%, PE ratio of 26.21, volume 751.11K, market cap 311, $3.11 billion US dollars. Year range was 2269 to 3292. Day range was 2269 to 2372, and its previous close was 2373. So what do these guys bring to the table? So Essential Properties acquires, owns, and manages primarily single-tenant properties leased to middle-to-market companies operating service-oriented and experience-based businesses. So let's check out their portfolio. They have a lot of properties. So check this out. This is just Ohio. Let's do Ohio an example. 44 properties, Indiana 15, Illinois 13, Texas has 83 properties, Florida has 46, California has 2, Nevada has 1, Arizona has 14, even Alaska has 2. New York has 32 properties, Maine has 1, Michigan has 35, Indiana has 15. Like I said, Ohio has 44. That's impressive. Kentucky has 21. So you're seeing what they have. So some of their features properties, Raising Cane's, Jim Nick's Barbecue, Cinemark, Service First Automotive Centers, 24-hour emergency room, Next Level, Crunch Fitness, Winwood's Children's Center, Taco Bell, Exxon Mobil, and McDonald's / Circle K right there. I'm sorry, Arby's. That they have some things that are very popular. You're seeing what they bring to the table. What's more important is their revenue and their dividend history. Let's check that out. And this is insane. 2016, millions US dollars, 15.52, 2017, 54.44, 2018, 96.22, 2019, 139.35, 2020, 164, 2021, 230.23. That is huge. That is a huge jump. I mean, that is extremely impressive. I mean, that's wow. I mean, look at this. 2016 to 230.23. Wow. Let's check out their dividend history. You're starting to see some nice growth. Now, 2018 was 22 cents. Then at 21, then 2019 was 21 cents. 2019, 22. 2020, 23 cents. And then 2020, 24 cents. And then 2021, 25 cents. And then 26 cents. And it's sitting at $22.98 with a 4.42% dividend yield, PE ratio of 26.11, annual dividend of 104. And this real estate investment trust in the past 5 years has kept up with the S&P, which makes it very impressive. 2022, like I said, 26 cents to 22 cents in 2018. So it appears based on the dividend trends, it's almost jumping up a cent a year. So that's pretty impressive as a dividend stock. And it's sitting at $22.98. And 4.42% for a dividend yield is not bad at all. Let's jump to the final dividend stock. We have another real estate investment trust that's doing very well against the S&P in the past 5 years. That's CubeSmart, sitting at $45.99 with a dividend yield of 3.74%, a PE ratio of 43.71, volume 1.53 million US dollars. The market cap is 10.32 billion US dollars. The year range is 4069 to 5734. Its day range is 4564 to 4792, and its previous close was for 4755. So what do these guys bring to the table? So this is what they do. They offer contact-free rental options. Customers can easily complete the rental process online over the phone or gain access to the storage unit without the need to visit the office or sign paperwork in person. They have installed plexiglass shields. All of their offices have plexiglass shields and counters as a precautionary measure for our teammates and customers. Cleaning high-touch surfaces. Our teammates wipe down counters, credit card machines, bathrooms, door handles, elevator buttons, trucks, and other high-touch surfaces. Multiple times a day, we clean and clean again. Practicing enforcing safe distancing. Okay, so they do that. Making hand sanitizer available, keeping masks and gloves available to people, staying home if feeling unwell, practicing good hand hygiene, and just here's some things that they bring to the table. So that's a lot of stuff that they carry. So the biggest thing, they have a lot. You have no idea how big they are. It's insane. Check this out. Whether you're in San Diego, the Bronx, they have over 1,300 facilities nationwide. They have the storage facility near you. The storage solutions you need. Stop by your local CubeSmart self-storage and browse a variety of storage units in our clean and brightly lit facilities. So we'll just click over here in my area. Cleveland has some of them, and actually I've seen them on the highway, which is pretty cool. right here by Cuyahoga Valley National Park. I've drove right by a lot of these, and it's actually pretty cool to see. There's one you'll see like right off the highway that these guys bring, and actually cool. It looks like a modernized facility. So I'm gonna jump to the revenue and their dividend history. And again, this is in millions US dollars. So 2015, 444.52, 2016, 510, 2017, 558, 2018, 597, 2019, 643, 2020, 679, and 2021, 822. That is extremely impressive from 2015, from 444 to 2021, 822. Now remember, real estate investment trusts, 90% of what they make goes back to us as investors. That's the rule of a real estate investment trust. Let's jump to their dividend history now. And their dividend hikes are extremely impressive. 2013, 11 cents, 2014, 13 cents, 2015, 16 cents, 2016, 21 cents, 2017, 27 cents, 2018, 30 cents, 2019, 32 cents, 2020, 33 cents, 2021, 34 cents, and then he hit 43 cents. So 2022, they were 43 cents. 2017, they were 21 cents. So that's a huge hike in dividend growth. So they're sitting at $45.99, like I said, with a dividend yield of 3.7%, a PE ratio of 43.8, and an annual dividend of 172. Let me know what you think of these three dividend stocks. I found these three for you guys. And again, I will be doing reviews on a lot of these stocks that you guys wanted me to do a review on. So please comment in the comment section too if I forget, or you need to keep on reminding me on doing reviews. I have a lot of things written down. I will get to those for sure, especially when my summer semester pretty much just started, and I want to get the ball rolling for a lot of these reviews. You guys take care and have a good one.